Hey guys, what's up? Unimatrix here. This is Cats Part 4. I'm re-uploading 3 because apparently it didn't work, but this is Cats Part 4, and we are in stage 23. I haven't been making very many videos, so I've been busy lately. This is in a day and half an hour. But yeah, we're almost able to prestige. We are in Carbon 4. We got 2 instants so far. And this is the new update, the Halloween update. And there's an event here that shows all of your stuff and yeah, that kind of stuff. This it's pretty fun. You gotta collect candies by doing fights. Right now this is our machine, 156k damage, health, and 58k damage. This is really good. There's 25k on it, because there's a lot of health toolboxes. These are our other builds. This isn't too good. Now this one's pretty good. But I have to do something right now, actually. It's an adjustment I gotta make. You and you can stay on. And I'm going to take off the booster and add on that. Right now, our competition in the championships is pretty high. It's gonna be pretty hard to beat. This guy we can't beat by a little tiny smidge. So far we can't beat. Oh, we beat him. Lednig. Okay, so we beat one guy. Got him back. I'm making another video tomorrow for the promotion video. And we're going to try what we always do every video. Almost every video. Not every video, but taking off the tires. I know it's not going to work for any of these guys. That guy we just got to upgrade a little tiny bit more. Doesn't work on that guy. Almost worked on that guy. I wonder, I'm gonna try something. This probably isn't gonna work. It might though, it might. Now once again, if you hear noise in the background, that's just my house, my mom, my dad, sister mainly. She's drawing her hair. Dang it, still can't beat that guy. Can't beat De Niro. Oh man. Dang it. Okay, so those three we can't beat. I'm going to go put that back on, and then I'm gonna do some fights. See how many chests we can get. Right, this guy we can beat. There we go, that's one win. Oh, I did that wrong. Whoops. Whoops. I read his damage wrong. I thought he said 21,000, not 210,000. Okay, this guy we can beat. At my school, there's a... Actually, I'm not going to talk about it, because if people see this, they'll probably get angry at me. All I'll say is that there's this massive fight between two really strong people. Super box, nice. I will be making another video today. I'll be making the part 2. Not part 2. Whatever part it is. I'll figure it out. Actually, no. It'll be part 1. Never mind. It'll be part 1. We're going to make a video on This is gonna sound stupid, but we're making a video on spinners.io. I find it pretty fun. It's a good game. You should try it. A lot of people probably say it's sketchy, but you know, whoops. That's all I can do. Beat that guy, and that's our chest with a crown on it. Okay, it's not super good. Try unlocking you. Okay, we just barely beat that guy. I'd say this video will be about 10 minutes. 10, 15 minutes. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, in the comment section below, tell me how they get so much health or like so much damage on their builds. Because I understand the Titan build damage, but like all these, and the health of the Titan, but all this damage and stuff and the health, it's crazy. Like, it's so hard to beat them. Like, this guy's not too bad, but not as bad as this. Like, God, poopy. Once again, this is gonna be no swear channel, so no swearing in the comments either. Or y'all gonna make me triggered, and you don't want me triggered. I'm usually the happy, easygoing guy, but don't make me triggered. I like the laser strategy, but if there's a guy with like 2 powerful rockets, it's impossible to beat him because the rockets get 2 hits off before the laser shoots. This we are absolutely sucking in because we're not even Siege 1. Can we beat this guy, I wonder? He's in 24. Oh, hell no. I'm just like, oh, hell no. To the no, no, no. Don't say that's cringy. I don't like it. My singing's fine. And I'm sure most of you think that. Well, I don't know about the mean people, but my nice fans will. This is just a random point, but in the comment section below, obviously, I've said that so many times, Hudson Shop, Matrix setup. I lost what I was gonna say. Never mind then. I'll say it if I remember it. I am doing a massive box opening. I'm gonna have 4 super boxes in each one of the slots, and then I'm gonna have them all so that I can open them at the same time. Okay. And there we go. Baba baba bow. See, I screwed up. Like, look at the damage. Like the crap. Anyways, guys, I think we'll leave the video there. Subscribe, like the video. At 10 subscribers, I'm gonna do a special. I'm gonna do something. You guys can choose what you want me to do. But yeah, that's it for the video. See ya.